Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, and today we've got something truly exciting to unbox and explore. Drumroll, please. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the vivo X100 Ultra. Shh, let's keep this between us. This phone is like a secret agent. It's got all the specs you need, but it's keeping a low profile. First things first, check out this 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. It's like having a mini cinema in your pocket. The colors are so vibrant, they practically jump out at you. Now let's talk power. The vivo X100 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. It's like strapping a rocket to your phone. And with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking feels smoother than a well-oiled machine. Host. But wait, here's the real secret sauce. The camera setup. The vivo X100 Ultra has a 50-megapixel main lens with optical image stabilization, OIS, a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Say cheese, because your photos are about to level up. And now the pièce does the resistance, the battery. The vivo X100 Ultra packs a whopping 5,500 milliamp-hour battery. It's like having a marathon runner in your pocket. And guess what? It supports 120-watt wired charging. Say goodbye to waiting around for your phone to juice up. Oh, and did I mention the colors? You've got your pick. Titanium, white, and gray. It's like choosing your superhero suit. Which one speaks to your soul? So, whether you're a tech ninja or just someone who wants a phone that can keep up with your daily adventures, the vivo X100 Ultra has your back. Thanks for tuning in, fellow techies. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.